Hello and welcome to the highlights of the eliminator of the Pakistan Junior League. Rawalpindi Raiders face off with Mardan Warriors at the Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore.
And I thought he might go that route, and he's done it quite comfortably. 4 runs.
Yeah, he's not afraid to do this to the left arm spinner.
Oh, that's pretty adjacent, unless there was a neck. Up goes that finger, and he walks. Opening the blade that time, and he's hit it powerfully enough. It just scoots across the turf for another boundary. Lifting that over the top, and powerfully struck square for 4. No ball. He's picked that up, and he's hit that beautifully. That's gone for half a dozen, and guess what? Next one's going to be a free hit. Picked up. There is a man there, though. And it's a wicket, so they've lost another one.
Habibullah will be important, just like that shot. It's beautifully done. Goes big again. What he's doing is he just wants to clear that 30-yard circle, and he's doing that well. He leaves the rest to the pace on the outfield there. That's his 50. Habibullah, the captain leading the way, wants to make sure that they stay in the game. A good knock from him, 50 of 39, 6 boundaries and a 6 for him. It's 61 for 2. That's a gift. And it's gone. Oh, he's missed it completely. I don't know if he lost the ball in the light and the crowd, but that's just an opportunity gone begging. It was a full toss. He could have put that away, but he played it to backward point. Down the wicket. He hasn't got hold of it. Will land safe. Oh, he's got hands to it. That was a good try. Abidullah, the fielder down there. 2 chances in the same over.
It's a comfortable shot. Has he got it far enough? No. That's another wicket. Wicket off the first ball and 4 runs from the over so far. Straight down the ground. Good connection. So that's a boundary to finish. They needed that. The Raiders, they needed to get a boundary. 8 from it. 12 gone. 78 for 3. Chops that away. Got enough bat on that to pick up a boundary. That's nicely chopped for 4. Cries of catch it. Just over the top. Oh, he's chipped it back to the bowler, and that is a huge wicket. That is a really important wicket. Straight away, looking to work on the onside. Straight to the man. And there's another wicket. Wrong one to finish, and it's another dot ball. I think it may be a run out.
And once again.
Good smart shot. It was off risk, but he took it on. In the air, chance. Can the keeper get there? Can he? Yes, he does. Was saying Nelson on board, something's bound to happen, and it does. Wicket number 7 falls. That's a good catch by the keeper, Daud. Shout is good. Shout is good, and the decision is good as well. Straight away. Big shot after a while, but he's got no distance on that, and he's got another second attempt. He's hit that in the air. Another opportunity inside the circle, gone. Shazib again, he takes a 3rd catch now in the innings. Another wicket for Nabil, and it's all over for the Raiders in the eliminator. Won the toss, decided to bat first, and couldn't bat the 20 overs. So the target 122 to win this match and eliminate the Raiders. That's what Mardan Warriors need to do. Let's find out as the Warriors come out to bat.
Oh, that's just out of the reach of the keeper. Got the dive in, thick enough edge, just went past that outstretched glove and has gone for 4. Slicing that away, just behind square on the offside, and that's gone for 4. It's a nice way to sign off that over. In the end, 9 from it, 2 gone, 12 for none. High on the bat, tried to pull it, might be a wicket. As a wicket, that's a big one. Thomas, that's the one they really wanted, I reckon. You can see the smiles from the skipper. dot balls and stop some boundaries. Not to be. 4 runs. I think we've seen that shot before today. And that's gone over the top, and that's one bounce, and that's screamed away for a boundary. And he's picked that up as well, so the runs are coming. Runs are coming quite comfortably. That's a beautiful drop kick. That's gone for 6. That's over the top, and that's 4 more. Farouk this time has opened his account. Half volley, drilled, and drilled for 4. Short, gets the pull shot out, and he's got that away as well. Terrific batting.
Down the wicket from Shahzaib, and he gets enough of it. Farouk. Oh dear. I don't know how to describe it. It could be a wicket. It is a wicket.
That's a big shot because the half tracker chances here. Catch it, yes. Shot. That's a good shot. It's so effortless back foot punch. It just didn't allow the boundary rider to run to his right and cut it off. Straight. That's a shot. That is a shot and a half.
Going straight to the man at mid-on. The captain takes the catch. And that's just tipped away down to that vacant third man region, and that's gone for 4, and that is the victory. Mardan Warriors get up and win this. Really outplayed Rawalpindi Raiders, and the Warriors continue. They stay alive. They're going to have a tough game coming up soon in the next round as well, but these guys, the Raiders, are going to be very disappointed, I'm sure. Just not enough runs. Winning the toss, batting first, not enough runs, doesn't get you very far.